Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jenny. I am back. Yes, I am back. I know I've been gone for some long, but a girl's back. So today's video is gonna be my first get ready with me, so I hope you guys really like it. I have a couple minutes to get ready, so make sure you enjoy. And also guys, give this video a big thumbs up. Also comment below what you think, and make sure you have your notification on so you know if when my next video will be out. So with that being said guys, let's get to the video.